Fetch AI at the time of this recording is seeing a bit of a short-term bounce in a move that has now given us a break above resistance, above the 1.162 and above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, flipping those two areas back into support. And all this is playing out after we started a massive breakdown move to the lower side in a move that has been obeying the Elliot structures, where I believe that we have been seeing a bit of a short-term breakdown move in an Elliot count 2, and there are high chances that now we could have the lows in place for these Elliot count 2, and in the next coming hours we are going to start an impulsive movement to the upside in an Elliot count 3. And on today's video, I will be giving you the key things that you need to watch out for, give you the minimum target areas, and above all, discuss significant key areas that we need to continue holding above for us to still expect new all-time highs here on the Fetch AI chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out BitGet, which is my go-to exchange, where you can see that for registration, all you need to have is an email address, and alternatively you can use your phone number. And you can see that on sign up you can now get a welcome pack of up to 6,200 USDT. Getting back to the charts, I want to start the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 5th of August, where you can see that we started a very nice bounce to the upside and peaked in a 5-wave structure over here in a move that gave us a high above the $1.743, and that 5-wave structure to the upside completed an even larger Elliott count 1 over here. And after we got our high in that larger Elliott count 1, I was expecting that we are going to see a bit of a short-term breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliott count 2, whose minimum target areas I was able to come up with by connecting the fibs from the lows that we made down there to the high of that larger Elliott count 1 in a move that gave me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.78, and that area lies between the 1.344 and the 0.921, an area that we have now almost fully maximized. And because of the corrective nature in this wave 2, I was expecting to also see an ABC corrective structure also play out, where on the charts you can see that we have seen the formation of a wave A, we saw a bounce in a wave B, and finally we saw another breakdown move in a wave C, and there are high chances that this could be the low for this wave C and also the low for this second wave. And for us to get a confirmation that we have a low in place, we need to see Fetch AI giving us a bit of, that is a 5-wave structure to the upside in the next coming hours. So from the current lows that we have at the moment, we need to see a 5-wave bounce to the upside to confirm to us that we have a low in place in this wave 2, and this impulsive Elliott wave count 3 is just getting started. But if by any chance we don't see such a scenario, then there are high chances that we can easily get one more new low in this wave 2 within our minimum target area over here. And the moment that plays out and we get our 5-wave structure, then that will be the start of another impulse to the upside that can easily get us back above the $2 in the next coming days. So that is something that I'm watching out for. And we also need to be very careful over here, because this could be a short-term bounce before we can continue heading further down to get one more new low in this wave C and also in the formation of this wave 2 before we can finally get our reversal to the upside in that Elliott wave count 3. Getting back to the daily chart, I still believe that we got our bear market lows last year and started an aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the 3.479, completing the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, whose minimum target areas between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78 we have now fully maximized. And that now increases the likelihood that we have the lows in place for the second wave, and in the next coming months we will see the start of an impulsive Elliot wave count 3, then get a wave 4, and then a wave 5 taking us to new all-time highs and possibly giving us more than a 10x. But for that to play out, we need to see fetch AI holding above the last line of support on the Fibonacci's, which is the Fib level 0.88. So in case of any sudden pullbacks, losing significant areas of support and significant lows, the Fib level 0.88 that lies above the $0.6 needs to continue holding. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term and also on the long term, and those are the significant key areas that we need to continue holding above. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.